Welcome to the 1-minute quiz. Think you've got what it takes to answer 6 out of 7 questions correctly? Let's put your knowledge to the test. Let's go. Question number 1. What type of celestial object is the sun classified as? A star. Number 2. What is the term for an organism that produces its own food through photosynthesis or chemosynthesis? An autotroph. Number 3. Which species is known as the world's largest living land animal? The African elephant. Number 4. Which element has the chemical symbol Fe and is commonly used in construction due to its strength? Iron. Number 5. What is the name of the largest moon of Saturn? Titan. Number 6. Which organ in the human body is primarily responsible for detoxifying harmful substances? The liver. Number 7. What type of bond is formed when electrons are transferred between atoms? An ionic bond. How many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments. And don't forget to share the quiz with your friends to see if they can beat your score.